Over the last few years, I've been grappling with deep cystic acne, and some of the episodes have been downright horrifying. In April, I had the sort of latest episode, as it were, when I went in for a keratin treatment. And all the keratin, you've got to sort of leave your hair open without washing it for 4 or 5 days. And all that hair got on my face and broke me out along the jawline and the cheeks. So this is my skin without any makeup at the moment. So you can see that there's acne and there's some post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. There are also pitted acne scars from a previous breakout. Now, I've talked about my acne journey, how it all began in 2015 December in a previous video, which I'm linking below. So after the April breakout, I was kind of worried and asking around if keratin was going to cause such bad breakouts. So Jen Matthews of My Beauty Bunny, she got in touch with me saying she had an acne coach called Emme Diane, who was a US-based esthetician who'd sort of cured her acne. And would I be interested in knowing more? And I said, definitely, I'll do anything. So accordingly, this being a case of sort of persistent and stubborn cystic acne, Emme offered to work with me and sent me a long list of questions, very, very detailed questions about my lifestyle, diet, allergies, medical history, acne history, routine, that sort of thing. And I answered everything. So Emme is called the Acne Whisperer, and it is said that she solves the unsolvable. So I had high hopes going forward of curing my acne. And based on the answers to my questions, she said, because you're on the mini pill, we can aim for 75% clearing rather than 95 to 100% clearing up. But even so, there will be a great improvement, I promise. So I said, that's marvelous. Anything is welcome. Any change for the better is good in my book. And she also said that I would have to comply 10,000% with her instructions. I'm willing to offer a 100,000% compliance if it cures my acne. That's how desperate I am. I mean, it's been 2 years now, more than 2 years. So there were 2 things that she sort of targeted. One, it was lifestyle, and the other is products used. So she sent me some products along with the Acne Bible. Now, this is beyond brilliant, absolutely brilliant. It talks about acne triggers, which can be the ingredients in products that you use, foods, supplements, and your lifestyle. So 4 kinds of triggers. And she has a huge list of ingredients that cause acne in here. So I've actually saved this list on my phone. So whenever I go shopping, it's, does this product have any of these things, sort of thing. That's how I started working. And these are very, very detailed lists. Foods is another long list as well. And supplements is another one. And then there's also lifestyle habits that trigger acne, which you must be avoiding. So that being the case, there are some products that I'm going to have to start using. So I haven't started using these. This is not a review. I will be reviewing these eventually. For now, I'm just going to tell you what they are and what my new regimen is going to be. So her routine needs to be followed in 2-week phases. So for the first week, I have to start with the gentle cleanser for sensitive skin in the daytime, and then ice my acne. I'll probably end up eating the ice. And then use the Calm Down Toner, followed by the Skin Quencher Gel. That sounds lovely, Skin Quencher. And gel moisturizers work a treat on my acne-prone skin. And then follow up with moisture, which I suppose is the Hydralux cream, and sunscreen, tinted mineral sunscreen. I hope the tint is suitable for my skin tone. Let's have a quick look. So that's what the tint looks like on my skin tone. I think blended out it should do, but yeah, I can live with this. That's not a bad tint. You know, the problem with tinted products is that you have to worry about whether they're going to suit your skin tone or not. So that is the daytime routine. At night, I'm going to have to use the cleanser, ice my acne, the calm down toner, the skin quencher gel, and the clarifying serum. Where's the clarifying serum? Oh, here it is. Clarifying serum. Clarifying sounds good. And then follow up with moisturizer, which is probably the Hydrolux cream. On alternate nights, rather than use a clarifying serum, I'm supposed to use the acne eraser 5% and then stop with that. So alternate nights, clarifying serum and moisturizer, or acne eraser. So that's the routine for 2 weeks. And weeks 3 and 4, in the mornings I'm supposed to cleanse, ice, tone, skin quencher gel, and clarifying serum, moisturizer, and sunscreen. And at night I'm supposed to use a cleanse, ice, tone, skin quencher, and acne eraser on a nightly, every night rather. So that is going to be my routine, and I really hope these products work. The sunscreen is a mineral sunscreen. It contains titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. It's not a chemical sunscreen. I know I'm going to love the sunscreen. And it is quite mattifying as well. So you're supposed to use 12 sprays of the Calm Down toner. That it's good that she's written that, because I tend to use too little, because I'm stingy that way. And you're also supposed to use 2 pumps of skin quencher gel, 2 pumps of Hydrolux, and 2 pumps of sunscreen. And the sunscreen must be applied every morning, whether you're going to be in the sun or not. This is where I've failed very badly so far, and I think that I've contributed to at least 90% of my own post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation by being very lax on sun protection. Now, Emme also gave me a list of acne-safe makeup and acne-safe hair care. So my makeup routine has also changed. I'm primarily using the Smashbox Photo Finish Light Primer, which is acne-safe and oil-free. And I like it. I thought I would never like anything apart from Professional on my oily skin, but I actually like this. The texture is very different from Professional. It was a bit of a sort of learning curve there, but now I really like it, and I don't think I will go back to Professional. And the foundation I now use is the Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I prefer the Armani Power Fabric Foundation when it comes to coverage, but this is acne safe, so this is going to be my foundation for as long as I have breakouts, I suppose. And the concealer that I am using that is acne safe is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Flawless Wear Concealer. I've actually used more than half of this already, so I'm going to have to buy another one. So that's the sort of acne safe makeup that I'm going to be using. And acne safe hair care as well, Soap and Glory conditioner, Herbal Essences shampoo, that sort of thing. So diet changes. There are a lot of acne triggers that I had no idea were actually acne triggers. I've stopped eating wheat. I've stopped eating peanuts. Big pain. I love chili lime peanuts. Never mind. And it's worth it if my skin clears up. And I've stopped iodized salt. I now use pink Himalayan salt. There are other things as well to follow diet-wise in the Acne Bible. I'm just mentioning the most important ones that I'm going to be doing, or that I've already started doing. So wheat, I was suspicious of wheat. I didn't know that was actually a trigger. It's probably a trigger because after giving up wheat, I've noticed a remarkable change in my breakout, in the number of breakouts that were appearing. I've also given up all sugar and all chocolate. I now walk past the chocolate and the sweet aisles in the supermarket with an air of martyrdom, and I especially feel this pang when I walk past Kinder Eggs. I walk past all the Kinder Eggs in the supermarket with an air of martyrdom. but it is an air of satisfactory martyrdom. If it clears me up, I will be more than happy to have that martyrdom. So moving forward, I will continue to be on a predominantly salad-based diet. It won't make me much fun to have around or to invite to dinner, but I think my skin is more important than... I mean, having acne can put a damper on your social life as well. So eating salad... I mean, if your friends and well-wishers don't understand that your skin is important to you and the salads are a price that you may have to pay, then they're not exactly your friends and well-wishers, are they? Now, lifestyle changes-wise, the biggest and the most difficult one for me has been to get enough sleep in the night. 7 hours of sleep at night. Haha. Stressy work, schedule, books, thrilling books to read, emails to reply to, loads to do, chores to do, errands to run, 7 hours sleep at night, not always possible. I am giving it my best shot. I first went to 5 hours, and now I'm managing 6.5 to 7, and my target is actually 8 to 9 hours of sleep at night. Haha, fat chance. But nothing mentioned, nothing gained, eh? So that's going to be my skincare routine from tomorrow, and about a month or so, or maybe 6 weeks later, I will review these products and tell you how it's been and how my acne has sort of progressed, or regressed rather, hopefully, and how they've worked for me. Based on the level of detail and information in the Acne Bible, I actually feel that this could work out better than a lot of other products have. I will keep you posted and do a review and frequent check-ins on how it goes. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel. And I'll speak to you soon.